Hi everybody, welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we are going to show you how to make French toast-Lao style.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweet Rice Cafe. Today we're going to show you how to make French toast Lao style. Here, can you hand me 1 egg please?
Yes.
Thank you. So we're going to take the egg, we're going to crack it into this little bowl right here. Here, can you hand me the second egg please?
Yes.
Thank you. Egg number 2. Kira, can you hand me egg number 3 please?
Yes, Daddy.
Thank you, baby. Egg number 3. We're just going to do 3 eggs for now because we only have 2 pieces of bread. Okay, Kira, can you stir the eggs for me?
Yes, Daddy.
You're such a good helper. Well,
I
Kira,
is too.
what's that?
I is too because she's recording.
Yes, she is. While Kira is stirring, I'm going to add the garlic salt. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic salt. Okay, stop stirring for a second. Onto the egg. Remember, we're doing French toast Lao style.
Now can we start
Stir some more.
Okay.
And on top of that, we're going to put minced onion on there too. Okay, stir it good.
He wants to have good eggs, not fat eggs.
Uh-huh. Okay, stir it
Not
good.
bad eggs.
Stir it, stir it, stir it. Good. All right, let me take that from you. Now we're going to warm up our frying pan, our non-stick frying pan. While the pan is warming up, we're going to take our olive oil cooking spray and spray it to our non-stick frying pan. Okay, while the frying pan is heating up, we're going to take the first loaf of bread and we're going to dip it in here. Make sure we do it the other way as well. What we want to do is soak the egg into the bread. They do sell those French toast bread out there where it's thicker than this. We're just using regular bread. And we're going to put it right onto it.
This is going to be really good French toast.
We're going to use our flipping technique that we learned from our other videos on how to flip. Here's the flip. Our first flip of the French toast. Ready?
Fingers crossed, everybody.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
That was better than last time.
Okay, we're just waiting, and while we're waiting for this to cook, we're going to put the other piece of bread into the egg. We'll let that soak. Flip this one again. Awesome.
Oh, very crunchy and delicious.
Oh yes.
Probably we could try it after.
Yes, this is our first French toast Lao style, so we're going to see if we like it or not. I'm going to put it right on the plate. We're going to spray some more olive oil, just a little bit, for the next piece. Here we go.
Probably both of them are going to look the same.
I think one of the bread's gonna have a lot more egg than the other.
You think so?
Uh-huh.
Take my
Yeah.
spatula there. And I'm going to add a little more of seasoning. Whoa, that's too much.
What happened?
I opened the wrong side. All right, so I'm going to flip it. Ready? Is this going to be good? 3, 2, 1. Awesome.
That's better than the first one.
That was better, huh?
Well, they're both better anyway.
Yeah, I'm going to add some more minced onion on this one. Because I like mint onion on my Lao style French toast. Okay. It should be done. We're going to flip it just to see.
Ooh. That's good.
How come after it's a lot easier to flip?
Because it's not sticking to the pan anymore now.
Okay, we're going to put it on the plate. There you go. Turn off my stove. Okay, girls, how is the French toast Lao style snack?
Good.
Do you like it?
It thumbs up. Bye, everybody. Thank you for watching Sweet Rice Cafe. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.